Have you ever said sorry to the wrong person at the wrong time? Or someone said thank you to you and you didn't know what to say back? Today, we fix that in just a few minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Poise. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Maya. Hi, everyone. So happy to be here today.
Maya, today we're talking about two small words, but big problem if you use them wrong.
Let me guess. Sorry and thank you.
Exactly. Every English learner knows these words, but many people use them in the wrong place. Today, we make it simple.
I love this topic because even my students still get confused sometimes.
Okay, let's start with sorry. When do we say sorry?
We say sorry when we make a mistake or when we do something wrong.
Right. For example, imagine you're walking and you bump into someone.
Oh no. Okay, let me try it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Perfect, simple and clear. And what does the other person say back?
They usually say, it's okay or no problem.
Yes, let's repeat that together. I'm sorry. It's okay.
I'm sorry. No problem.
Great. Now, here's a question for you, listener. Can you say, I'm sorry, right now, out loud?
Try it. It's a good moment to practice.
Now, here's a mistake many beginners make. They use sorry for everything, even when they just want to ask a question.
Oh, I know this one. Like when you want to get someone's attention.
Exactly. If you want to ask something or get someone's attention, you don't say sorry, you say,
Excuse me.
yes. Excuse me is for before you do something. Sorry is after you did something wrong.
That's a great way to remember it. Excuse me comes first. Sorry comes after.
Let's practice with a real example. You're in a shop. You want to ask the worker a question.
Okay, I'll try. Excuse me, can you help me please?
Perfect. Very polite, very natural.
And if I accidentally drop something in the shop?
Then you say,
Oh, I'm sorry.
exactly right. See, you already understand the difference now.
Okay, let's move to thank you now. This one feels easier, but there's more to learn.
True, so the basic way is just thank you. Simple, polite, works everywhere.
But sometimes you want to say more, like when someone really helps you.
Right, then you can say thank you so much or thanks a lot.
Let's repeat. Thank you so much, thanks a lot.
And all of these mean the same thing, just different strength?
Yes, thank you so much and thanks a lot show stronger feeling, like really, really grateful.
Good. Now, here's a question many beginners ask me. What do you say back when someone says thank you to you?
Good question. The easiest answer is you're welcome.
Let's practice that together. Thank you. You're welcome.
And another common one is just no problem.
Right, that's more casual, good for friends, family, everyday situations.
Let's try a real scenario. Imagine your friend gives you a birthday gift.
Okay, thank you so much. I love it.
Perfect. Adding I love it makes it sound even more natural and warm.
Now imagine someone holds the door for you.
Just a simple thank you is perfect there, short and polite.
Maya, can you give our listeners one more example? A small daily situation.
Sure. Imagine someone gives you directions on the street. You can say, thank you so much for your help.
Nice. And they might answer,
No problem. Have a good day.
I love that. Such a friendly, natural way to end a conversation.
Okay, one more important point. Some beginners say thanks instead of sorry by mistake, especially when they're nervous.
Oh, that's true. It happens a lot.
So remember, mistake equals sorry, help or gift equals thank you.
That's a great simple rule. Let's say it together one more time, listeners. Repeat after us.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Thank you. You're welcome.
Perfect. Now you have it in your memory.
Okay, let's do a quick recap before we finish.
Number 1, use excuse me before you ask something or get someone's attention.
Number 2, use I'm sorry after you make a mistake.
Number 3, thank you is the basic, polite way to show gratitude.
Number 4, thank you so much and thanks a lot show stronger feeling.
And number 5, when someone thanks you, say you're welcome or no problem.
5 simple phrases, but they will help you every single day.
That's all for today's episode, everyone. I hope this was clear and easy to follow.
It was so fun talking about this with you, Ethan.
Same here, Maya. Listeners, if this helped you, please like this video and subscribe to English with Poise.
And try this in the comments. Write one sentence using "thank you so much." We want to read it.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care.